It's time for Swap Shop on CKNX. If you have items to sell, buy, or trade, it's time to make a deal. When you call, please remember to turn your radio down. No more than 3 items per person. No firearms, cars, pets, scrap, or large pieces of farm equipment. Swap Shop is for individuals and not commercial enterprises. Please keep items priced under $500. The numbers to call Swap Shop are 519-357-1280 or toll free at 1-800-668-2569. Call now.
It is Swap Shop time at CKNX. Jeff Norgate here, 8:30 Saturday morning, a tradition now that's been going on for decades for us to buy, sell, and trade here on CKNX. If you would like to write your item down and mail it in to us, please feel free to do that. We call that the mailbag. Address your envelope to Swap Shop, care of CKNX, Post Office Box 300, Wingham, Ontario, NOG 2WO. If you'd like to write the item in the computer, then a very simple way to do is to go to our website, cknx.ca, click on Shows. Swap Shop is part of the drop-down menu, and when you fill out the form and you click it, it comes directly to my email. It's very simple, straightforward, easy to do. If you happen to send an email during the program, in other words, from now until after 9 o'clock, I may not get to it today, and if I don't, then I will use it for next week. I often, though, have time to go back and have a look a couple of times, at least, during the show, and I will try to do that today. If you'd like to phone us, there's a very simple method, and we've used it now for a very long time. 357-1280, 1-800-668-2569. Now, keep in mind, we are in a delay. That means what's happening here in the studio and what's happening for you at home are not at the same time. So, make your life easier. Turn your radio down, and others will find it easier as well to understand what you have to buy, sell, or trade. All right, let's get to the phones. Good morning. You are on Swap Shop.
Yes. I have for sale here one pair, a size 9 green patch Dickies work boots. They're new in the box. I have 2 air conditioners. One is a window unit. The other is a commercial cool. It sits in the room and vents out the window. Was used about twice. And I have a 9x13 Obusun 100% wool rug. Excellent condition with the underpad. 278524.
Okay, I'm sorry, I missed the first part of your phone number. Would you repeat it?
327-8524.
Okay, thank you. The number again, 327-8524. 327-8524. Good morning. You are on Swap Shop.
Yes, good morning. I've got a 5-foot steel push blade that has a frame. Looking for $100 for that. And I got some Gleaner C combine parts. There's a knife, pitmans, and sprockets, and so on and so forth. I want $500 for all that. And I have a wood chipper shredder. I'm looking for $350 for that. And we have a never-ready Energizer travel bag. It's 14 wide by 24 long and about 12 high. I'm looking for $40 approximately for that. It's 392-6079. Thank you.
Thank you. That number again, 392-6079, 392-6079. Good morning. You're on Swap Shop.
Good morning. I have a bald eagle ornament for sale, $35. And I got DVDs for sale, $5 a piece. I got a man's watch for $12. And I got a walking cane for $19, and I got a book on old tractors for $35, and my phone number is 226-429-2006.
All right, thank you. That number again is 226-429-2006. 226-429-2006. Good morning. You're on Swap Shop.
Yes, we have for sale a pony cart, all done in natural wood, $75. And quality hay, 3x3x7 large bales. Our number is 519-901-0787.
Thank you. 901-0787, 901-0787. This is Swap Shop on CKNX. The numbers here are 357-1280 and 1-800-668-2569. Good morning. You're on the air.
Good morning. I want to buy a radio for a 71 Chevelle, and I want the radio to be marked either GM or Chevrolet. I don't want one out of a Pontiac or an Oldsmobile.
Okay.
And I also would like a power steering box for the same 71 Chevelle. If anyone had an old box that would fit, I would be interested in that. Mm-hmm. And I have for sale a chest of drawers, and we still want $20 for them. They're in pretty good shape. 519-830-5178.
All right, thank you. The number again is 830-5178. 830-5178. Good morning. You are on Swap Shop.
Hello.
Yes, go ahead, please.
I have a sofa bed for sale. It's a camel color, and it's a double size, and I'm asking $250 for it. Mm-hmm. My number is 519-236-4889. Thank
you. The number again is 236-4889. That's 236-4889. You're on Swap Shop. Good morning.
Good morning. I have a new rollator with a basket on it. It's a foldable one with it's only been used once. Mm-hmm. And I'm asking $200.
Okay. What's your phone number? Yep.
226-668-5762.
All right, thank you. The number again is 226-668-5762. That's 226-668-5762. Good morning. You're on Swap Shop.
Good morning. I have an exercise bike in good condition to sell and a dog cage 35 inches long, and it's like new. And we have intarsia patterns, and we also have a few intarsias, but anyway.
Okay, I'm sorry. What is it also after the dog cage?
Intarsia patterns.
Okay, I'm not sure what that is, but that's fine.
It's a wooden picture you can make. Like my husband used to make it, but he can't do it anymore.
Okay. Mm-hmm.
Yeah, and our number is 519-364-3497.
Okay, 3497?
Yep.
Thank you. That number again is 364-3497. 364-3497. This is Swap Shop on CKNX, 357-1280 and 1-800-668-2569. Good morning. You're on the air.
Morning. I have for sale Pontiac G5 2007 for $300.
That's for parts?
No, it's for sale. It's drivable, needs a bit of work.
Okay, it's for parts as far as we're concerned. What's your phone number?
509-357-8878.
Thank you. That number again is 357-8878. 357-8878. It is about 22 minutes away from 9 o'clock. We're going to have a look at the weekend weather forecast, and we'll check some recent emails. We'll do that next.
Time now for CKNX Communities. Here's Buzz.
Chepstow Homecoming is August 3rd through 5th. Lots going on, a Friday night barbecue and fireworks at dusk. ChepstowHomecoming18.com for more information. And check out the new 2018 Coffee, Crops, and Donuts Workshop Series at SauGeneConservation.com. I'm Buzz Reynolds for CKNX Communities.
Hudson's Listowel Kia is having a special summer celebration in honor of the 50th anniversary of Special Olympics Canada. If you purchase during their sale this month, you won't have to pay until October. You'll also get 0% financing plus a $2,000 summer bonus on select models. Don't miss out on any of the action or their 5-year, 100,000-kilometer warranty. Kia's special summer celebration ends July 31st. Visit Hudson's Listowel Kia today. ListowelKia.com.
Big sales are on right now at Gerber's. Get incredible deals like $30 off Dunlop Purofort work boots, now for only $159.95, or 20% off Riggs Ripstop work shorts for just $32.95. Hurry in, these offers end soon. Visit Gerber's in Donegal, Listowel, Mitchell, or Strathroy, or at gerbers.ca.
It's what you wear, it's what we do. The clothes we sell look good on you. Gerber's Workwear, we look good on you.
CKNX Precision Weather. We have sunshine today and a high near 24. Clear skies tonight, a low near 11. Tomorrow, sunny, high of 27. And tomorrow night, another cool night, which is nice, a low near 14. Monday, sunshine and a little warmer still with a high near 29. Right now it's 18 at CKNX. It is 8:39. And I have nothing in the mailbag today, but I do have a couple of emails that have just come in. Someone looking for a small pony saddle, age and condition not important, 327-8867, 327-8867. Someone here looking for a 1,000-liter tote to hold water, preferably with a tap on the bottom, 226-930-0018. That's 226-930-0018. Phone numbers here for Swap Shop, 357-1280, 1-800-668-2569. Give us a call. Good morning. You are on Swap Shop.
Good morning. I have a 14,000 BTU air conditioner, runs on 220 at 519-263-6902.
All right, thank you. That number again is 263-6902, 263-6902. This is Swap Shop on CKNX, and we've got lots of time for you to call if you'd like to. 357-1280, 1-800-668-2569. Have a look at some of our emails now. We have for sale a calf creep feeder on skids, good condition, $400. Short cedar rails, $100 each, or best offer. And several steel T-posts. Phone number 392-6555, 392-6555. For sale, a motorcycle battery, Power Sonic, Super Sport Series, new in the box. Also contains the electrolyte. Looks like they want $25 for that. And free mason jars with lids. They're 8-ounce. Walkerton, 881-2434. 881-2434. For sale, an MTD garden tiller, 5-horse, $125 or best offer. It's a Ripley phone number at 395-5769. 395-5769. Someone here looking for some round or large square bales of hay. Looks like for sale, a couple of tail lights for an 05 Ford F-150, asking $40 each, and a bug deflector at $10. 372-7177. 372-7177. We have campfire wood, $5 a bag, and cordwood also available near Bluevale, 335-6342. 335-6342. For sale, a whole-body vibration platform machine, $500. Also for sale, a garden trailer at $40. 291-5323. 291-5323. We have a stroller for sale, $35. It's a double-size burgundy flowered bedspread. I'm sorry, the bedspread's a different color, of course, $25. A wood chipper at $85. 367-2831. 367-2831. A frost-free fridge, good working order, $150. A fifth-wheel hitch for pickup truck made by Reese at $300. A fifth-wheel tailgate for GM pickup truck, $200. 829-9002. 829-9002. Someone looking to buy 2-face cord of seasoned firewood, 357-7474. 357-7474. And we have for sale firewood at $70 a cord, Mildmay area, 367-2831. 367-2831. Someone looking to buy a child's push car and a mini fridge in the Mildmay area, 378-9394, 378-9394. For sale, we have a John Deere rototiller, fits on the back of a riding lawnmower, $300, antique stationary engines, old frame pictures, and antique picture frames as well, 665-2303, 665-2303. You are listening to Swap Shop on CKNX. My name's Jeff Norgate. The numbers here, 357-1280 and 1-800-668-2569.
Great country music, news, and entertainment. We are CKNX.
In the first quarter of 2017, according to Stats Canada, Canadians had $1.2 trillion of disposable income. $1.2 trillion. Did your business get its fair share? Then it's time to think radio. Advertising to a captive audience, to access more potential customers, more potential profits. And advertising here on our radio station can help. Call today, because next quarter, another $1.2 trillion up for grabs. Interested?
Visit cknx.ca and click Advertise with Us.
It is 8:45 at CKNX. Phone numbers here for Swap Shop, 357-1280 and 1-800-668-2569. Good morning. You are on the air.
Morning. I have a very large stained glass window for sale that's in a frame. It's all multicolored glass, and they're quite large pane. It's 50 by 60 inches. Mm-hmm. I also have a German shortwave radio. It's an old tube radio from the 1930s that works. Mm-hmm. And I'm asking best offer, and I don't really know what they're worth, but anyone who's interested in the old tube radios might know.
What make is it?
The make itself is, what they call that? It's
a Grundig? No?
Yes, I believe it's a Grundig.
Yeah, the German radios, they're pretty good.
It's a very old radio, and it still works. Tube radio. It sounds beautiful. It's got the lights. It's got 5 speakers on it. It's fairly large. It's about 1.5 feet high, and it's about 3 feet wide. And it's kind of done in that, like a tabletop kind of finish, a very nice finish. Mm-hmm. And my phone number is 519-294-0150. That's 519-294-0150. Thank you.
All right, thank you. The number again, 294-0150. That's 294-0150. Good morning. You're on Swap Shop.
Good morning. I'm looking for a used water softener in good condition. The number is 519-595-8024. Thank you very much.
Thank you. The number again is 595-8024, 595-8024. You're on Swap Shop. Good morning.
Yes. I have, excuse me, I have 2 picture windows, $50 each. They're double glass, 5 by 7, and I'll take $50 or the best offer. A bathroom sink with taps for $30. A bathroom light gold trim, $30. Toilet paper holder and toilet bars. And my phone number is 519-291-2440.
All right.
And you can leave a message.
Okay, thank you. 291-2440. 291-2440. Numbers here for Swap Shop, 357-1280, 1-800-668-2569. Good morning. You are on the air.
Yes, I have an assortment of 100 wheel discs and caps. They're for 1940s to 1980s vehicles. Been collecting for a long time and want to get rid of all these. Most of them are stainless, and they're in good condition. And there's 100 of them, so I'm asking $200 for those. And I have a set of fenders and a cowl for a 67 to a 72 GMC or Chev pickup truck front fenders. And they'll also fit a Suburban or a panel truck as well. And I'd like $300 for all 3 pieces. And I have some new old stock brake parts that'll fit 70s to 80s GM products, and I'd like to sell them as well for about $85. So anyway, my phone number here is 519-357-4304.
Thank you. The number again is 357-4304, 357-4304. It is 8:49 at CKNX. Coming up for you at the top of the hour, Adam Bell will be here with detailed news and weather. We'll have a complete look at that, and then we will carry on with music for you for your Saturday morning. Good morning. You are on the air.
Hi, I'm just calling to see if you can recall the number that was for the hay for sale.
Okay, why don't you call me after the show, okay? Thank you. It is 10 minutes away from 9 o'clock. Adam Bell is standing by with news. We'll do that for you at the top of the hour.
Thank you for listening to Swap Shop on CKNX. Join us next Saturday morning at this time for another chance to buy or sell on the next edition of Swap Shop.